All right, I'm sitting on the new adjustable base by Leesa, and on the adjustable base, of course, I have the Leesa mattress. What you'll first notice is that color scheme works perfectly together, so they work well. You obviously don't need to get a Leesa bed for the base, and vice versa. The base will work with just about any bed that will come in a box. It's a good rule of thumb. A lot of people ask me, will this work on an adjustable bed? Well, if it came roll packed in a box, it absolutely can, because it's rolled in over itself. It has no problem being in a box for a month or so. So it has no problem being on an adjustable bed. So the adjustable base, you know a lot about the Leesa. It's been around a long time. Leesa has began accessorizing. They've introduced pillows, sheets, blankets, pillows, and now most recently the adjustable base. This is a queen size. It retails for $1,045. There may be discounts. Just head over to sleepsherpa.com and we should have the latest discounts there for you. Leesa creates it so that whenever you go to our site, we automatically upload the latest discount when you head on over to Leesa. So this adjustable bed, it does come in a box. The base folds over in on itself, and setup is easy. Basically, you just unfold it and then screw in the legs, and then plug it in and you're good to go. This is the remote that you get. The remote has the head and foot settings, so you can raise the head individually, which I'm doing right now. And you'll see that the head is starting to go up here, nice and slow. And we'll just go all the way up for effect so you can see how far this articulates. But I would say the head function is probably used the most, obviously, if people read or watch TV in bed. If you're doing a late night Netflix binge, you may want this to go up. Now, you can almost get it as like it's a chair, and then we'll just do the foot for dramatic effect. Now, I'll probably get sandwiched in here, but I just want to show you the range of the bed itself. Now, obviously, you'll probably never get yourself into this position. If you do, more power to you. You're obviously a back sleeper. You can't be a stomach or side sleeper doing this. So that's, it's kind of tacoed here. Now, if you want to put them both down, there's a button to just do both. And that'll lower both of them at the same time, speeding up the process. You also find that this is a relatively quiet motor. Some of the less expensive adjustable bases, the motor can be kind of loud, so if you adjust it at night, you may risk waking up your partner. With this one, you will hear it, but it's a pretty subtle sound. The other nice feature of this adjustable bed is in the middle here is a button. That button is a nightlight, so if you push that button, there's LED lights underneath the bed itself, and that'll light up. You probably won't be able to see it given that we have the lights on in here, but it is nice. So if you need to get up, go to the bathroom, I would just turn this on. It's easier to find your way back at night. You can even have it on all night. It's not overwhelming. So those are the main highlights. The other thing I really like about this is this is also covered under the Leesa 100-night trial. So you could have this in your home for 100 nights. If you don't like it and it's within that time frame, returns are free. Now, this is a pretty heavy adjustable bed. All adjustable beds are, because they're made of steel. They have motors. So this one weighs around 150 pounds. Now, that's a pretty heavy amount to lift for just one person. And if you don't care to set it up yourself, Leesa does have optional white glove delivery. There is an extra fee for that, but what they'll do is they'll just come set it up and put your bed right on it, and you're good to go. So a lot of good things about this adjustable bed. So what I'd lastly recommend is taking a look at the trial periods. Because Leesa has a trial period for the adjustable base, it means you're not stuck with it if you find you don't like it, or maybe you just don't use it like you thought you would. It is returnable, and that's not always the case, especially if you buy something on Amazon. Amazon would require you to physically return the product, and you'd be paying shipping, and shipping on this is not cheap because it is such a big, bulky item. So with the Leesa, you don't have to worry about that. So it is an added value there. And again, this will work with any mattress, not just the Leesa, but any mattress that would come pre-packed in a box. So more information, get the latest discounts, just head on over to sleepsherpa.com.